Very good Thursday evening, folks. I'm NTV Chief Meteorologist Eddie Shear, now just shy of 6:50. A lot going on weather-wise, so I figured a little video discussing that certainly wouldn't go astray this evening. So we'll start with what's going on out there right now. Area of low pressure into the Gulf. This is helping to drive some rain across the Avalon Peninsula, which will wind down over the next couple hours. We're also seeing some freezing rain and freezing drizzle across central and western Newfoundland this evening, snow in the northern peninsula, and snow into southeastern Labrador as well. Folks in Labrador, if you like snow, you're going to really enjoy my forecast. Now, because this area of low pressure I was just showing you, that's really going to wrap up and intensify tonight into tomorrow. We've got wind warnings for Newfoundland's central and northeast coasts, winds gusting up to 100 during the day tomorrow, and farther south we will see some gusty winds overnight, so some high surf certainly a possibility, and pounding waves. If you have interests along the coast, certainly keep an eye on them overnight. Now for tomorrow, we have a snow squall watch in place for Gros Morne down to Channel Port aux Basques and Deer Lake Humber Valley farther north. A winter storm warning in place for tonight for the northern peninsula east, Parsons Pond, Hawke's Bay, and Port Saunders and the Straits. It's heavy snow and high winds likely overnight. Now here's Futurecast. We'll show the rain winding down over the next couple hours across the Avalon Peninsula. Farther west and north, we see snow persisting across the northern peninsula and into southeastern Labrador. As we go into early Friday morning, snow is still persisting across eastern Labrador, southeastern I should say, and snow and onshore flurries across the west coast. Areas farther east will clear out, but it will turn windy, and some onshore flurries certainly a possibility. For tomorrow at lunchtime, onshore flurries across the west coast, still seeing snow across southeastern Labrador, and this area of low pressure really begins to ramp up, hence the winds will pick up during the day tomorrow for most of Newfoundland. And then as we get into tomorrow evening, it looks like this low is pulling away and the snow is winding down and the weather is going to calm down. Well, not so fast. That area of low pressure stalls south of Greenland early Saturday morning and will loop right back around as we go into Sunday and Monday, and this will bring a blizzard to eastern Labrador in that time frame. Areas from just south of Hopedale all the way down toward Red Bay and Blanc-Sablon are in for a blizzard. Highest amounts look like they are going to be kind of into that Cartwright and Upper Lake Melville area, particularly the eastern side of Lake Melville, and we're talking about snowfall amounts in this area between 50 and 100 centimeters by Monday morning, with winds sustained 50-70 kilometers per hour from the north-northwest, gusting 100-120, so some extreme drifting a good possibility as well, just because of the long duration of those winds staying in the same direction, and the heavy snowfall amounts combined with sea ice offshore, so whatever snows offshore blows right onshore. So snowdrifts could be meters high. Wouldn't be surprised if we get some pictures by Monday of homes just completely covered in snow. This could be a very serious situation for southeastern Labrador by Monday. Now, future snowfall totals, nothing overly impressive overnight, 20-30 centimeters for parts of the northern peninsula and southeastern Labrador, but as we go into Saturday and Sunday, that's when those totals really grow, and it also looks like parts of the island are going to see significant snowfall as well over the weekend, especially the high terrain. This model does not pick that up very well, so that 50-plus range in the northern peninsula, that's mainly relegated to the mountains, long-range mountains at that. Tonight, temperatures will fall down below the freezing mark across the island eventually, and Labrador minus teens, 20s, and 30s, and then for tomorrow, temperatures into the minus single numbers with the flurries west and the breezy conditions persisting. Well, I just threw a whole lot of weather information at you at one time. Hope you're able to digest it. Have a great night, and I will see you tomorrow.